Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to organize cards in Trello using the sort feature, the full 2025 guide. First up, let's open your Trello board. Look for the list with the cards you want to sort, and simply click on the three-dot menu icon at the top right. This is important because it gives you access to critical features for card management. Next up, on the drop-down menu, choose Sort By. You'll see a variety of options including due date, labels, or members. The reason we do this is to quicken the process of finding specific cards based on your chosen criteria. Now that we've done that, click on your preferred sorting method. If you're working on a project with deadlines, due date is a handy option. If your project involves team collaboration, sorting by members can help you track individual responsibilities. This helps us because it brings clarity and order to your workflow, making project management a breeze. Finally, after selecting your preferred sorting method, your cards will automatically rearrange. You can always change your sorting preference anytime by repeating these steps. This is vital in Trello as it allows for flexible and dynamic project management. To wrap things up, organizing cards in Trello using the sort feature isn't just about neatness. It's about working more efficiently and keeping your projects on track. Remember, the key to successful project management in Trello lies in understanding and utilizing its features effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more Trello tips and tricks.